Okay, we're back again on 439 number 10 Hawkeye. Looking down from the companionway, I didn't mention before that they did go with the standard starboard cafe doors, not standard, the cafe doors, but they did them in the gray starboard. Obviously, as you take a look, she is a maple boat with juniper corian. And here we go. Two captain chairs to port. No microwave, so that becomes an extra storage cabinet. Got your electric galley, which is now puts the microwave and the convection oven down below the Kenyan 2-burner induction stovetop. Dish storage, cutlery, silverware, refrigerator, drawer, trash bin. We'll take a look in the trash. Nice, good-sized trash bin. Oh, there's the utility room. So obviously they've already put some of their stuff on board. We actually got this boat in the water about 5 weeks ago or so. So Darrell's behind. Washer dryer, vented dryer, standard freezer. Let's go to, and here we have the Spectra water maker. Inside our little storage area here, we have the rest of the Spectra water maker, as well as the storage area. Obviously, access to the water heater and other items that are installed behind the aft bulkhead. 6 kW Northern Lights generator. The oil change system, the standard dual rake cores. Wrenches for adjusting the shaft log. There's the utility room back in the galley. You can look around, lots of storage. Drawer storage, dovetail drawer construction. The engine area. Well, currently it's locked down, so we have to come down here, undo the barrel bolt. We'll lift it up. Alright guys, as you can tell, I'm doing this again by myself. Our engine access, we do have a light down there on the top that's currently not turned on. The blue hose is our engine room exhaust, which runs all the time. 80 horsepower Yanmar. The engine hatch is obviously being held up with pneumatic pistons. And then to close it, we're just gonna give it this little, and she drops down. To hold herself down, obviously, bolting it down is the better way to go. Little storage bin underneath the top stair. A couple of little storage areas to the left and right. Aft cabin. There's the other cockpit cushion. There's the rest of the solar screen enclosure. We've got a small shelf locker and a hanging locker, good size hanging locker, double door hanging locker. We have gone to magnetic door locks, so they're very nicely adjustable, and then they just basically grab the door. So you don't have to get your foot down there, your hand down there, or up there to try to release the latch. You just pull. We found it to work very well. Obviously, all of our doors are solid wood. All of our cabinet doors are solid wood. All of our trim is solid wood. Here is the aft head. The They went with the white vessel sink, the juniper countertops. Our stall shower, our really nice shower door with a very nice hinges. Our Raritan Elegance electric fresh and raw water flush toilet. And it is a macerating toilet. As you can see, we have multiple drains around the shower in the head for water. We do have a nice size hatch above in the head, and then a port as well. Starboard side salon, full height cabinets. So if you do the electric galley or you decide not to do the microwave, the cabinet to the right there in the galley is what it ends up being. So you basically end up having 3 cabinets that are basically the same, and a book rail for book storage. Port side hanging locker. This boat does have the dual bins, which they're putting to good use. Spectral water maker control, the Maybrew air conditioner controller, the Victron display, tank tender, another multi-unit Iridium sat phone, ICOM VHF. That is the air conditioning supply. And then the return is back here behind the seat. There we go. And then the safe down below. This is the high-low, or not high-low, but the up-down table. Obviously, it's in that position now. Drink holders, the row top desk, storage area, and then another storage bin. Fusion stereo, and another display for the Ray Marine, our standard 12 volt, 110 volt electronics panel. Here's one of our side lights. Touch it, it comes on. You hold it down, it dims down. Push down again, it dims up, or goes up, ends off. Obviously, they placed fans where they wanted. This is very typical to do, 2 in a salon like this. Forward cabin, here's some of the Stratoglass and cockpit enclosure that we've just laid out here. They're obviously not using the boat right now. They're back in Iowa City. Our forward Maybrew controller, another fan, another hatch. All of our overhead lights, also dim. All of our hull side lightings along the hull side dim. There's storage under the berth. There's a drawer under the berth. His and hers hanging lockers. Obviously, hers is the double. And if he's lucky, his is the single. Forward head. Again, the white vessel sink, the juniper countertops, the Raritan electric head, shower. They did choose the dry locker forward, so I can tell because it has no vents to the outside as where the wet locker does, and they'll have a shelf inside versus the wet locker has a dowel for hanging. The shower soap, conditioner, and whatnot, little bin up on top. So it does shrink the head by about 1/3 if you go with that option. They did do the off-white IGU and headliner. So, and then of course the maple interior, and then the dove gray and off-white exterior. So basically, very modern looking boat, very open, very airy. It's funny, people either like one wood or the other. The dark wood makes it look much more traditional, much more timeless, I think. But wow, it's hard to get over how big the boat feels with the light wood. Don't ask me what I would choose if I was building a boat. I'd let Leslie choose. All right, you guys. So, sorry for the delay in getting the video for number 10 out. I want to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas, a great and happy New Year. I want to thank all of our buyers and owners for helping us all get through 2022. And I wish everybody a very prosperous, healthy, and as sane as possible 2023. And remember the reason for the season: Christ our Lord. God bless.